Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to make an Indian drink, and it's called Jamu drink, and this is for weight loss and so much more. Okay, this is used to treat liver disease, muscles and joint pains, as well as arthritis, respiratory disease, gastrointestinal problems, skin disorders. This also strengthens your immune system. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-mic properties. This is very valuable, and also chronic autoimmune disease. Now this is also going to help you to lose weight. So what we're going to be working with today is our turmeric. Now the turmeric is going to cleanse the liver, it stabilizes the blood sugar levels, it treats depression and cancer. It also treats food allergies, intolerances, and also prevents degenerative and cognitive diseases such as dementia and Alzheimer's. So turmeric is a very powerful root that's going to help you in those benefits. The next item is our ginger. Now ginger is also used for post-chemotherapy, nausea and vomiting. It has a strong anti-inflammatory property which helps relieve symptoms of colds. It helps with digestion, muscle aches, and regulates blood sugar levels. Now due to its antioxidant compounds, ginger used together with turmeric poses a synergetic effect. Okay, so this is going to warm you up. We're going to be using some black pepper. Now the black pepper prevents anemia, it's going to help with digestion, it's going to fight against free radicals, and it relieves cold symptoms. And it's wonderful to use with your turmeric because it also helps with the digestion. We're also going to be using our lemon. Now lemon is a very rich source of chemical compounds that improves immunity, strengthens blood vessels. It also is healthy for your skin and also blocks the development of certain cells that can trigger cancer. Okay, so our lemon is a wonderful source of our vitamin C as well. And we're going to be working with some honey. Okay, now we're also going to be using 1.5 cups of water. We're also going to be working with 250 milliliters of water. Now you're going to need a pot, so you put it on a very low flame. Okay, I'm going to add that in there. Next we're going to take our turmeric and we're going to grate that into our pot. We're going to be working with 30 grams of our turmeric. Well, turmeric is very staining, so you may want to use gloves. Okay, so we're going to grate that in there. Next, we're going to be using about 6 ounces of our ginger root, but a nice size piece, maybe about 1 inch, should be good. Now we're going to put in about a pinch of our black pepper. Maybe 1 or 2 dashes is good. And now we're just going to allow this to steep on a very low simmer. But you can actually put up to 1.5 cups to 2 cups of water. So if this is not enough, you can add in another 1/2 cup of water. And I suggest that you put a cover on it so this way you don't lose most of your water while boiling. Okay, so we're going to do this for 5 minutes and I'll be right back after these important announcements. Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it. And like I said, it works, okay? This tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right, check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, you guys, so our drink is ready. So now what we're going to need is a strainer. And it smells wonderful. Okay, next you're going to juice 1/2 lemon. And we're going to also use 1 teaspoon of honey. And that's it, you guys. Now you have a powerful weight loss drink that's also going to boost your immune system. It's also good for your... There you have it, you guys. This powerful anti-inflammatory natural liver detoxifier, and it also cleanses your kidney. It's also an antioxidant. It's great for digestion. It has anti-platelet properties, which means it's going to decrease clotting. It's going to lower your cholesterol. It has anti-carcinogen properties. This will help in warding off dementia and cancer. This is also an immunity booster, which strengthens your body from colds and flus. Combined with low-calorie diet, you can lose up to 4 pounds in 2 days. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you want to purchase your own NutriBullet blenders, I have a link down below where you can either get the personal size or the full size blender, as well as the metal straws that are reusable and safe for the environment. Also, check out my eBay store. That's also linked down below for wonderful herbs and spices to help boost your immune system up, also help you to lose weight, as well as enhance your body. Okay, I also have wonderful jellies down there, or honeys down there, for men and women to help stimulate certain parts of your body, help it to be healthy, for testosterone, for libido, health. I'm telling you, I have wonderful herbs and honeys. Don't forget to also check out below for this flat and firm belly detox drink that is flying off the shelves. Okay, this is really powerful. It works, and you will be losing weight on that. You'll be shedding your belly area. So you guys, check that out, as well as check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare, beauty, vlogs, family challenges, and more. Alright, so you guys, until the next video, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.